be tackling building a shed specifically for wood, but I also want to add outdoor storage for my plant pots and shovels and such. So it's currently 6 feet by 11 feet. Reason for that is I have 2 large pine trees either side, and it's just how this is going to work out. So I have everything leveled for the base so far, and just to do the base, what you see is what you'll need. Flat square shovel, a little level, and I'm using 2x4s for the bottom, and those concrete things, which I'm failing right now, I can't remember the name of them. What you're seeing right now is just me getting everything level and square. So the 2x4s where they are right now is not going to be their final resting place. It's just what I've been, in order to get everything lined up correctly and level, I put the 2x4s within these concrete bases just to have everything set up. My 4x4s aren't going to be delivered for another 3 days, so this is kind of what it's going to look like until then. Once my 4x4s get here, I will be putting them into those concrete thingies, and the 2x4s will be screwed into the 4x4s. So it'll be a little bit wider than what you're seeing right now. And then I'll be able to get the joists in for the other 2x4s in the middle. Alright, bye for now. So I lied. I was going to wait for my 4x4s to get here. As you can see, I have 2 sets in already, but I'm still waiting for my 8-footers. So I have I'm starting the floor joists already. And I'm using a Craig's tool, this little guy right here. But I haven't decided on the roof yet. I want to do a lean-to style because I think it'll be easier. But it's longer than, the structure's longer than it is wide. And I don't know if the lean-to will be the best option for this build. But it's what I want to do. So I'm going to attempt it. And hope it works out. I have the shortest 4x4s in the back, which are 5 feet. The middle one is going to be, it's currently 7 feet. I'm going to cut that down. It's going to be maybe 6 feet, maybe 6.5. And then the ones in the front will be 8 feet. I currently have just a 2x4 holding that part up until my 4x4 gets here. And today, I'm going to, this is the other 7-footer in the front. I'm going to move that to the middle